Episode 1 of Mario's Mystery Mail. You see, Mario's got this spending issue. He doesn't know how to save. So I'm getting his stuff and I'm going to start opening it. So let's see what's in these boxes. We can already see we got two of what looks like the same thing here. Milwaukee Packout box, extra large. See what's in the top box. That'd be a smaller Packout case. So I expect the other one will either be a small one like this one or a medium. And it's another small one. Alright, so it looks like he got two of these. Now, what you don't know is that Mario has a ton of these at his place. They literally have several stacks reaching the roof. So this is very much not needed. So, nothing fun to really unbox here. Next time, maybe there'll be a power tool and we'll unbox that.